asuntosykeyhtiö Kapteeninkulma.
Today it's the 13th of July 2022. We have Kapteeninaukio 1 here in Ruoriniemi, Lahti, Finland. Now this elevator was built in early 1997, turned 25 years old this year, in 2022. On the glass windows it says 96, so that's why this is early 1997. The number is 76709 and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. Two rides, 6 floors. Very nice. I love these tomato sauce colored doors.
Yeah, same here.
They actually fits into it with the white one. It's also like strawberry jam with whipped cream.
Yeah.
A little bit. It is a bit like that. One of those best combinations of colors, I think.
Yeah.
But this is also like wine red at the same time.
Yeah.
But it can also be like a darker strawberry jam.
Yeah.
Or raspberry jam.
Yeah. Sitten pakki vais. Mä teen pakkoon.
Is that right?